How to fix portrait mode not working on iPhone camera. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open Settings app on your phone. Scroll down to the bottom and then you want to go ahead and tap on Camera. Now here you want to turn off the toggle button for grid. Tap on Preserve Settings. After that, you want to go ahead and tap on Camera Mode that is on the top. Simply turn on the toggle button for it. Or you want to go back to Settings, then you want to go ahead and tap on General. Here again, scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Tap on Reset All Settings. As you do that, you have to enter your passcode and your phone will be reset. So after you turn your phone on, the problem will be fixed automatically. So that is how you can fix portrait mode not working on iPhone. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.